In this series, you will learn how to create front end of your website. So let's get started. The first video for the series is about designing the home page. So basically, I will give you an overview of the website, of the front end of the website and the home page. So this is how the website looks that I have created. So there's a nav bar at the top right corner. Then there's a logo and the name of the institute. So this is the home page. So if I'm anywhere on the website and if I click on the home button, it will take me to the home page. Then if I click on our courses, it will take me to the courses page. Similarly for about us, login and contact us. So if I click on contact us, it will go on to the contact page, where you can include all the social media handles and the contact details. So there's a login page where you can register and log in. Similarly, there's an about us page which gives you, where you can write something about the institute or your website. Then you can also add images to your website. So I have included many images. So for the social media handles, I have included some icons. Then if I click on the registration button, it will go on to this page. Similarly, if I click on login button, it will take me to the login page. So basically, I have created 3 HTML files. First one is the basic file for the website. Then there's another HTML file for the registration page and one more HTML file for login page. So this is an overview of the website and how it works. Now, so in this folder, I have six files. First one is the images folder. Then there's index page, which is an HTML file. Then login and registration are also HTML files. Then there's a smooth scroll file and a CSS file. So what is this smooth scroll file? So if I go on to the website and if I click on about us button, it will take me to the about us page and it will scroll smoothly. So that is the use of the smooth scroll file. So over here in the index file, which is the HTML file for the website, in the end I have included inside script tag, I have written the path of the smooth scroll file. So if possible, I will provide you the entire code so you can once again go through it. So in this video, we are going to talk about the home page, which is basically the nav bar, the logo, name of the institute and the banner section. So the button and the front end web development and this image. So the code for it is this. So as you all know, in the head tag, so we are for this website we are using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap as well. So you have to include these links in the head section. One is the path of the CSS file, and then the Bootstrap links and the jQuery links. Then coming on to the body section, So in the beginning only there's a nav bar at the top. So basically all the websites you'll have a nav bar at the top. So I've created a section and I've given the ID name nav bar. Then for the navigation bar I've written these classes nav bar. So in order to have a nav bar you have to write the class nav bar in Bootstrap, and then there are other classes which are nav bar expand LG and nav bar light. So what is the use of this class nav bar expand LG? So if I minimize my screen, you will see that there's a button over here, and if I click on it, the nav bar will appear vertically. So it will stack the nav bar vertically onto your page if you reduce the size of the screen. So that is the use of nav bar expand LG. And when I reduce the size of the screen, you will see that there are these 3 lines, which is because of the nav bar toggle class. So if you use this website on your phone or on a smaller screen, you won't have a complete nav bar at the top. You will see that these 3 lines will appear, and then you can navigate through the website with the help of this button. So that is because of the class navbar toggler. So I can't explain you each and every line of the code, but I'm just telling you the important points. So then in the anchor tag I have included an image which is the logo of the website. So if I'm anywhere else on the website other than the home page, and if I click on this, it will take me to the home page, which is the banner section. Then the next line is button class navbar toggler. So we have included a button when the screen size is reduced. Then there's another video for adding buttons to the navigation bar. So we will see this in that video. This part will be taught in the next video. Then we have the banner section. So for banner section, there's one image and this text and a button to watch demo lectures. So as you can see, I've created a container. First I've created a section with the ID banner, then a div, and I've written the class container, so it is included inside a container. Then for Bootstrap we create rows and columns. Then for I've included this class promo title for the title, which is front end web development. Then there's a paragraph and one image, which is again an anchor tag included inside an anchor tag. Then the image is for that particular image which is inside the anchor tag is for the watch demo lectures. Then there's another division which will be in the next 6 rows of the screen. That is why we have written this class column MD6, and then there's also one image. So this is simply written inside the image tag. And then we have styled the home page and the banner section. It's the usual padding, color, background, so whatever colors you can see. So I have used the purple color or this hexadecimal digit.